Charlie, you could give us a dramatic reading of the definition of goon sesh.
Gooning may most be simply defined as the state usually achieved after a prolonged edging session, when a man becomes completely hypnotized by the feeling radiating his penis. This is how it's written. As the man continues to edge and thus keeps experiencing intense pleasure, he enters a state of trance, where his mind intimately merges with his cock.
I need to jerk off. My body's not listening to me.
This state is known as the gooning state, where he and his dick become one. When this state is achieved, the male becomes freed of all social codes of conduct. His arousal alone dictates his reactions. As a result, a gooned out man
Gooned out.
will become very vocal, and his body and face might take on undignified expressions and poses, all in response to the intensely exquisite caresses his penis is exposed to. Hence the term goon. Since at this point, the man effectively looks like a silly, foolish, eccentric goon. Example used in a sentence. I spent 10 hours gooning this weekend. On February 10th, 2012 by Funky Jerker.
I know this is bad. I still don't really get what gooning is. And I know you just explained it.
It's where you edge yourself for 30 hours, become your dick, and then goon out.
What is that?